Hey, good morning. I'm Vic Senese with UroNurse News. Be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're looking at an important FDA approval that expands the treatment options for millions of people living with diabetes. The FDA has approved Garzulys, a rapid-acting insulin biosimilar to Novolog. I'll explain what it is, how it works, and why healthcare professionals should pay attention. Let's begin. Now, the Food and Drug Administration has officially approved Garzulys, I think that's how you say it, also known as insulin aspart-fsan. So Garzulys is approved to improve blood sugar control in both adults and children with diabetes mellitus. This approval represents another important milestone in expanding access to insulin therapies. Garzulys becomes the third FDA-approved insulin aspart biosimilar referencing Novolog. There's a mouthful. As with all biosimilars approved by the FDA, extensive scientific testing demonstrated that Garzulys is highly similar to the reference product and no clinically meaningful difference in safety or effectiveness. Now, Garzulys is classified as a rapid-acting insulin analog. That means it begins working quickly after injection to help control the rise in blood sugar that occurs after eating. It's available in two convenient forms, a 3 milliliter pre-filled insulin pen and a 10 milliliter multi-dose vial. Patients may administer Garzulys within 5 to 10 minutes before meals, making it very similar to Novolog in everyday clinical use. The medication can also be delivered through compatible insulin pumps and may even be administered IV under medical supervision. Although Garzulys closely resembles Novolog, which is much easier to say, dosing is never one size fits all. Healthcare providers should individualize dosing according to blood glucose readings, treatment goals, meal patterns, exercise habits, kidney function, liver function, and acute illnesses. All 7 of those things. These factors require dose adjustments to maintain safe and effective blood sugar control. Careful patient education remains one of the most important responsibilities of the healthcare team. Now, every new biosimilar entering the marketplace has the potential to increase competition and improve patient access. While individual pricing decisions remain to be seen, additional biosimilars may eventually help improve affordability and availability of insulin therapy. For nurses, diabetes educators, pharmacists, and physicians staying current on newly approved biosimilars, this is essential for helping patients understand their treatment options and use these medications safely. So, today's key points. Garzulys is now FDA approved. It's a rapid-acting insulin aspart biosimilar referencing Novolog. It is available as both a pre-filled pen and a multi-dose vial. And dosing should always be individualized based on every patient's clinical need. I'm Vic Senese. Thanks for joining me. Tonight on Dr. Jeff Talks About Sex and Intimacy, in a world filled with distractions, endless scrolling, social media, and surface-level conversations, authentic connection has become one of the greatest gifts we can offer and one of the deepest human needs we all share. But what does it really mean to be authentic in our relationships? Why do genuine connections have such powerful impact on our emotional, physical, and sexual well-being? Want to find out? Be sure to check it out on Dr. Jeff Talks About Sex and Intimacy at drjeffsextalk.com tonight at 7 p.m. Tomorrow on UroNurse News, I continue my coverage with a closer look at the same groundbreaking research exploring why glands hyaluronic acid injection outperform the Paroxetine for premature ejaculation, what the procedure involves, and whether this innovative treatment could change the future of clinical practice. So be sure to join me tomorrow to find out more.
UroNurse News every weekday at 9 a.m. Central Time, bringing you the news that shines. UroNurse News.